everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's we are diving into Agile, a word you have probably heard, right? Tossed around in the world of the software development. But what does it exactly and actual meaning? Let's go ahead and see. In a plain English, agile means the ability, right, to move quickly and easily. And that's exactly what agile methodology tries to achieve in the software projects. Okay. So instead of locking in a rigid plan, agile lets us adapt, learn, and evolve with the project as it goes. Correct. So agile is not a single method. Correct. It's more like an umbrella that includes the various methodologies like Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming, that XP and other those are okay, FGD and so many. So they are all shares a common vision to deliver working software frequently, respond to the change over rather than sticking to a rigid plan or something, and focus on individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Correct. So why does this matters for the project management or the software development or something? So in fast paced industries, requirements change continuously, okay, constantly. If we try to plan everything up front, okay, we have bound to hit roadblocks. Agile lets team stay flexible, correct, deliver value faster and get continuous feedback. All right. Now that we know about what the exactly agile is, let's explore why and when we can use that agile. Okay. Okay, let's answer a crucial question. When do we actually need to use agile? Well, imagine you are having and trying to build a product, correct? But the requirements are fuzzy. I'm not getting exactly what and how it looks like my project or product goes, right? So you are not exactly sure what the customer wants yet, or maybe those needs keep changing. Correctly. Got it? So that's where Agile shines. Correct? So Agile thrives in environments where upfront clarity is lacking. It's all about building a small functional pieces of the product and using them to gather a feedback. This feedback loop, we can say, allows teams to adapt quickly and stay aligned with the business needs. Instead of working on a massive projects in isolation for 6 months, you are continuously delivering small updates as well. So testing, refining, we can say it's and the improving. These three steps we can see in the whole the project management. Okay, so this approaches reduce the risk and help you to avoid the surprises later because you are getting the feedback continuously and you are developing the product as per requirement, so you won't get the surprises later, right? So the agile is perfect when your product can be built iteratively, and when you expect changes, and when collaboration with the stakeholders as well is a key factor, right? So up next, we are going to talk the mindset about the agile, because agile isn't just a process. It's a way of thinking, how you are thinking and go ahead with your product increments. Okay. This is all about the thinking. So now let's talk about the agile mindset. Yeah, this is a real game changer, we can say. Okay. So agile isn't just a set of rules or ceremonies or something. It's about thinking and working differently. It it's having at the core an agile mindset is about the adaptability, continuous improvement, and the customer focus. Here is what that looks like. We embrace the changes instead of favoring it. We prioritize the collaborations over rigid hierarchies. We aim for a working solutions rather than the excessive the documentations. Okay. This mindset encourages transparency, shared ownership, and trust within the teams. It allows us to make a small bets right? So learn fast and pivot quickly if needed, correct? So I guess what? The agile thinking can go beyond the software. It's being applied in marketing, HR, and even education as well. So, if you want to truly success with the agile, start this mindset. Okay, the tool and the practices we follow naturally. It's natural. Okay, so coming up next, where did the agile come from? Let's look at the agile manifesto. Yes. So back in 2020, 2001, we can say, grow up a 17 software developers made in Utah and created something that would change how software was built forever. That is Agile Manifesto. It's in short but powerful documents, we can say. It says we are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others to do it. Correct? And it lays out our four values. What those four values? That is individuals and interactions over the processes and the tools. The second value is working software over the comprehensive documentation. Third one is the customer collaboration over the contract negotiation. Fourth one is responding to change or the following a rigid plan. But the magic is in the 12 principles behind these values. They emphasizes the delivering values early and continuously, welcoming the changes, building projects around the motivated individuals, and reflecting on how to become more effective, just to name a few. Together, these principles form a foundation of the agile methods. Whether you are using Scrum, Kanban, HP, these principles should guide your decisions. Got it? So, we are going to see next up, that is look on some real benefits of the agile and why it's popular today. So why are so many companies moving to agile? The benefits are pretty compelling. You can also see these benefits, right? While working or while using this agile in actual in practice. So first there is a speed. Agile projects hit the market faster because they are built in increments. That early delivery means quicker value for the customers. Next, the productivity goes up. Agile also helps reduce the surprises, right? We are going to working on the feedbacks, whatever we are getting. So surprises won't get, right? So, and let not forget quality. The testing is the continuous in agile, so which results in the cleaner and the reliable product. So we are getting the quality product. Another big one is the customer satisfaction, and lastly, as a moral gets a boost, right? So, all right, now that we have seen why agile works and where we can get it, where we can use it, let's dive into different frameworks under the agile, starting with the Scrum. Great. Let's continue with the next one. We will cover the other slides in the next video. Just be with me, and if you are having any concerns, any questions, any doubts, just comment it in this below, and let me know if you are having any help. Okay, thank you.